Hello and welcome, this is Paul Photography with episode 20 of 1 minute shooting ideas for every tiny home studio. Today we want to create a low-key shot of a warrior who gets fit for the fight. Let's jump right into it. This setup is very easy and you just need one light source. So I place one of my strobes to my left side in front of me, but will change it to the other side during the shoot. As a diffuser, I decided for my beauty dish with the grid, because I want soft but very directed light. So I get a nice low-key shot with a black background. Now get yourself an angry warrior makeup. Thank you Ella Cafella for your awesome work. Let's get some sweat on the face. First put some olive oil on your face that the water drops will stay at the right place. Let's work it out. Paul, and this is your warrior's workout shot.